Now let's deep dive into the dimensionality reduction methods. So let's unleash the power of dimensionality reduction. So basically enhancing the data analysis, visualization and interpretability across various domains. So dimensionality reduction can help in various ways. The first one is curse of dimensionality. So high dimensional data often suffers from the curse of dimensionality, which can lead to increased computational complexity, decreased model performance, and increased risk of overfitting. So dimensionality reduction methods mitigate these issues by reducing the number of features. Then we have the visualization. It is challenging to visualize data beyond three dimensions. So dimensionality reduction technique can transform high dimensional data into a lower dimensional space, making it easier to visualize and interpret. Then we have a noise reduction. So by removing the irrelevant features, a dimensionality reduction can help in reducing noise and improving the signal to noise ratio. Then we have interpretability. So having fewer features makes it easier to interpret and understand the relationship between the variables. So these are the various ways dimensionality reduction can help data scientists. So now let's look into the applicability to various data types, applicability of dimensionality reduction methods to various data types. So dimensionality reduction methods can be applied to various types of data, including numerical, categorical and mixed data. So they are widely used in fields such as, the first one is image and video processing. So dimensionality reduction techniques are used to extract meaningful features from images and videos, enabling tasks like object recognition, image retrieval and video summarization. Then the another field where uh, a dimensionality reduction can be widely used is text mining and natural language processing. So text mining and natural language processing. So dimensionality reduction is employed to reduce the dimensionality of the text data for tasks such as document classification, topic modeling, and sentiment analysis. Then we have bioinformatics. Dimensionality reduction methods are used to analyze gene expression data, protein sequences, and other biological data sets. And the last one, we have a recommender systems. Dimensionality reduction techniques help in reducing the dimensionality of user item interaction data. So enabling personalized recommendations. So these are the power, these are the things that a dimensionality reduction can do. So this is the power of dimensionality reduction method.